The Apple Watch Ultra was one of Apple's flagship products displayed at the 2022 September event. And like the iPhone 14 lineup, the Apple Watch Ultra comes with some incredible and groundbreaking features, including a new life-saving Siren. We will talk about the design of the watch, the Siren, and other Apple Watch and tips and tricks in our video. Apple Watch Ultra design, Siren activation, and multiple functions. Let's get started. Apple Watch Ultra design. The first area to look at in our Apple Watch review is the Apple Watch Ultra design. After several years of developing the watch, Apple finally released it in September, and it's fair to say it was worth the wait. Apple indicates that the Apple Watch Ultra was designed purposefully for athletes and other sports enthusiasts, and it is touted to compete with companies like Garmin. They are into producing expensive fitness-focused smartwatches. Such focus indeed demanded that Apple incorporate some unique elements. One of the key improvements is the watch's size, which has been significantly increased to 49mm and is now the largest Apple Watch compared to the 45mm of the Apple Series 8. A 4mm difference will undoubtedly aid in a bigger screen size, but the increase in size does not necessarily make the watch heavier. Apple used an aerospace-grade titanium body not to burden athletes when undertaking their tasks. The increased size also meant that Apple can now accommodate a bigger battery that helps athletes embark on their duties for long hours. For example, the new battery lasts long enough for users to complete a long-course triathlon that would include a 2.4-mile swim, a 112-mile bike ride, and a full 26.2-mile marathon.
That is brilliant.
This is because the Apple Watch Ultra can last up to 36 hours on a single charge, as well as last for up to 60 hours for multi-day adventuring with the help of the new low-power setting. Other exciting features that come alongside it are a flat sapphire crystal face, a larger diameter, a deeper grooved digital crown, a housing for the side button, and an extra physical button on the left side called the Action button. If these features intrigue you, do wait for the Siren feature, which we will discuss later in the video, and it will blow your mind. Apple says the Apple Watch Ultra was built for three main reasons: endurance, exploration, and adventure. And the packaging is good too. Check it out here. In addition to reviews of products, this channel also provides timely updates on all Apple-related products. So do well to subscribe in order not to miss a single update. Let's continue. The Siren. The Siren is undoubtedly the most intriguing feature in the Apple Watch Ultra, similar to the car crash detection introduced in the iPhone 14 lineup. The primary function of the Siren is to help users call for help when in distress or lost in their adventure. This is achievable with the Siren app emitting an 86 decibel audible alert that can be heard up to 180 meters away. Apple achieved this due to the redesigned speaker that was incorporated to produce a high-pitched alarm sound. There's also been the incorporation of 3 microphones in the watch, and we will talk about their use later in the video. Do stay with us. Now, let's get into some more details about the Siren. The Siren has been designed to play continuously and at regular intervals whenever it is turned on. The Siren was designed with 2 distinct and high-pitched pattern sounds. The uniqueness means that they are generally not in the environment, making it easier to be heard. The 2 sounds usually alternate and repeat. Due to the high intensity of the sounds, the Siren shouldn't be turned on in enclosed environments, or hold your watch close to your ears while the Siren is sounding. While the Siren is supposed to blow continuously, it can go off when an alarm rings or a phone call is received. Except for these situations, the Siren will always play until you turn it off or the watch runs out of battery. Other features. We earlier mentioned that the Action button is one of the intriguing features of the watch, and Apple has certainly made it a standout. The Action button has been designed with an international orange that illuminates in dark areas when the light is out or even underwater. Apple indicates that the new Action button gives you quick physical control over various functions. This was crucial to implement as the button is now responsible for activating workouts, marketing segments, setting compass waypoints, and more. In addition, Apple has also added 3 microphones to improve sound quality, while the watch's accuracy has been improved to offer pace, precise distance, and route data using a dual-frequency GPS and L1 and L5 frequencies. The Apple Watch Ultra is undoubtedly a groundbreaking achievement by Apple as a result of the extraordinary features that it comes with. One could say that this is just the beginning of Apple trying to dominate the tech market. It has now been revealed that they are working on a new self-driving car, which is set to be announced soon. We have covered all the details of the Apple Car in our video. Is Apple secretly working on an electric car? The truth about Apple Car. Thanks for watching this video, and see you next time. Bye!